Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, isi-share ko po sa inyo ang pag-unbox ng iPhone 11! Wow! So ito na siya guys. I'm so excited for this one. But before natin i-unbox to, please subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos. Enjoy watching! Actually, this phone is a gift from my dear fiancé, Edgar. Thank you so much, babe, for this gift. I'm so happy and so excited to open this one. Aside sa naawa siya, kasi yung dati kong phone is iPhone 6 Plus. So ito, iPhone 6 Plus ko, tagal na nito guys. 5 years na siya. Never ko siyang pinalitan kasi hindi naman siya nasira din. So, sayang din yung pera kung bibili ako ng new phone. I'm so glad that binigyan niya ako ng gift na same pa din iPhone, pero upgraded na siya, iPhone 11 na. So happy. And then, aside from that, mas naawa pa siya sa akin kasi dito sa Qatar, hindi ka pwedeng lumabas pag wala kang Ehteraz app. Ehteraz app is an application that will show your health status regarding sa COVID. Qatar residents who are going outside their homes are required to download Ehteraz app. Ehteraz, which means precaution, helps track if the user has come into contact with a positive patient or not. It also provides the latest update regarding pandemic and health tips to prevent being sick. If you go out without this, you will be penalized of 200,000 QR imprisonment or both. Unfortunately, I cannot download this one in my iPhone 6 Plus. So guys, this iPhone is designed by Apple in California but assembled in China. So, made in China pa din siya, guys. Pero okay lang. Pinili kong color is purple because aside sa maganda siya tingnan, para at least match sa personality ko. Para girly din siya. So, ayan guys, buksan na natin. So, ayan, may camera na ako dito. Tadaan! So, unbox na natin. By the way, 128GB siya. So, okay na, sulit na siya. Ayun na guys! Tadaan! So, open na natin guys. So, ito na siya. Oh, it's so nice! Tadaan! Oh my gosh! Wait lang. So, ito na siya guys! May new iPhone! Tadaan! And then, the color is so nice. I love it guys. May dalawa siyang camera. So, ang layo talaga. Oh my gosh. Wait lang. Mas malaki nga yan lang yung iPhone 6 Plus. Pero it's so worth it. Ang ganda. Yung iPhone 6 Plus meron nito eh. Meron siyang nakasulat na iPhone dito. So, yung iPhone 11. So, meron siyang ganito din. Pang-apples. Kaya instructions nandito din. Wow! So, ito siya guys. Meron tayong earpad. Wow! So, meron din siyang USB cable. Wow! And, of course, adapter niya. Wow! So, that's it guys. Ito. So, buksan natin. Tagalin natin yung plastic dito. Ayan na. So, excited. Tadaan, tadaan, tadaan. Tadaan! There you go! Hello! Swipe to open daw. Ayan. So, pili tayo ng language. So, of course, English tayo. Qatar. Click. So, continue. Ayan, may Face ID detector na siya. First time ko to, guys. Kasi nga, yung iPhone 6 Plus, walang ganyan. So, napaka-updated ko. So, try na natin. Yay! First Face ID. Ito na siya guys. Creating password. Kung dati guys, round yung headphone jack niya. Ngayon, parang same na siya sa charger. First time ko na naman to ulit. Maganda din yung ano niya, sounds in fairness. Basta iPhone talaga, ano yan, sulit. So, sulit yung bayad mo, babe. So guys, ito, nagsiset up na ako para sa Apple ID ko. Wow! Guys, para ma-set up na lahat. Wow! To make colors appear consistent in different environments. Oh, nice! Gusto ko siya. Appearance. Wow! Next is appearance. So, So, ayan guys. Gusto ko lang, standard. Para mapunta daw sa home, swipe up daw from the bottom edge at any time to go home. This is my first time again, guys. Kasi nga, sa iPhone 6 Plus, yung luma kong phone, walang ganyan. You have to click this. Ito. Or yung, ito. Para mapunta ka sa home. Oh my gosh, guys. Ito na siya. So happy. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this. Thank you, babe. Thank you for this gift. So, ayan na siya, guys. So, nakita na po natin yung difference ng dalawa. Ayan po, tapos na po yung unboxing natin. Thank you for watching, guys. And then, hope to see you for the next video. Thank you!